Hi, my name is Randy Sharp, and I have a show called Dinner Party Tonight on YouTube. And I'm about to renovate my underused, underutilized, and forgotten back building into a prep kitchen for the ages. So I have a very large kitchen. You might say, oh, if you've seen the show, you would say, oh, why does she need a prep kitchen? Well, because if you're doing dinner parties for 14, 15, 16, 20 people, sometimes you need extra storage space or another place to store frozen items. It's essentially extra space for basic prep. It's also a secluded area for things like cakes, meringues, meat preparation, things that you want to keep separate from your guests seeing or from the heat and humidity of the regular kitchen. And we're naming it after my dog. So it's called Leonard's Prep Kitchen, or the LPK. Why don't we go and take a look at the LPK before? This is my tree. His name is Alan Tyndall. Now look at this. This is sad. Look at this. It used to be sort of a spa, like there was a sauna, a hot tub, and also a shower. And now it's going to be a very efficient PK. I cannot wait to show everybody my new space. Now I know on Dinner Party Tonight you might have seen the rocky montage of the space being built. But wouldn't it be amazing if I could show it to you right now? So, can you believe this has been transformed from a basically garbage shed into the perfect prep kitchen, Leonard's Prep Kitchen, in fact. It's absolutely fabulously set up and designed by Monica and by Chapter. So I can't think of how it could have gone better. They came in on budget. They came in on time. They listened to my comments and problems. As a girl working with a construction company, you get a lot of brush-offs and comments like, we got you, and stuff like that. That never happened with Chapter. They listened to what I said, and they remedied everything we talked about. I mean, that's really true. I would recommend them to any person who needed work done in New York City. No joke, fact. I wanted to take a minute to say thank you to my designer, Monica Chalona.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, who designed this project with me, but designed this project from the floor to the ceiling. Mm-hmm. And what a beautiful job. And an understanding of cooking, too. Do you cook?
I cook. I love cooking. I'm Italian. I love cooking. Of course, I cook.
Of course. Well, I haven't made pasta out here, but I did bring the roller out, so the roller's here. But it's so efficiently planned and it's beautifully thought out.
Yeah, I loved working on this project, so I'm very happy you're happy.
I'm thrilled. So, Chapter all the way.